Sandy Santa here with two cute, funny little items. Now, they might try to run off the table here, so bear with me. I might have to keep putting them back in their place. Let's see what they do. Watch your P's and Q's. Clean up your room. Okay, that's the first one. I bet you'll never guess what the hippopotamus sings. You guessed it. How about if I just stop him here? Oops. That didn't work. There you go. Goodbye.